Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show how to edit portrait special concept photo editing tutorial. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit your images exactly like this in this position. All you have to do is simply follow my video and download the background. I only created this my own background, okay? You can go and download there. I will give every link in the description, and there is some pngs you have to download, okay? Everything you download and open my video and follow each and every single step. So you can also edit your images exactly like this, okay? By using the Picsart application, it is very simple and easy steps to follow, okay? You can also learn this tutorial to edit for your images. Now let's check in the video without wasting time. First of all, open Picsart application directly with the background you downloaded. See you there. Friends, now in Picsart application, I already said you have to open Picsart with directly with this background. This is the background I created, okay? Simply make this orange background and I simply added the text love, and the middle I use these shapes to the circle, white circle. Okay, now let's proceed into the video. Okay, first of all you have to add your model image. It is the first step. You have to go to add photo and select your model image. Friends, this is the model image I am going to use now, okay? For example, okay, make sure you have portrait image. Now simply go to cutout. By using this cutout tool, you have to cut the background, okay? Cut the background. All you want is the model image. Let's do it. It will take so much of time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Friends, it is how it look like after the cutting the model image by using the cutout tool. You have to simply arrange it in the center like this. No need to add any effects, okay? Simply add like this in the center, okay? Now by using this eraser, you have to erase on the bottom. No need of the bottom portion, okay? Simply arrange like this and draw this bottom portions. Anyway, this bottom portion is covered by the text effect, okay? Here it is some disturbance, okay? Erase this one. Erase this unwanted parts. And friends, remember, you have to select your model image carefully. Try to select the light colors dresses, okay? Then this type of photo editing will be nice for the light colored dress, okay? Try to select light colored dress, so you will get amazing results at the end of the tutorial, okay? And friends, try to subscribe the, if you are still watching my video, try to subscribe my channel. I will provide very nice type of tutorials. You can simply enjoy it and you can also edit your images, okay? Simply give me a like or a subscribe. Okay, now arrange this image like this. Now tap on tick, okay? Now what you have to do is, I am going to add the one png, okay? I created this png. I will give this png link in the description. For this, I will go to add photo. Okay, this is a png for the attraction of the image. Simply zoom in like this, okay? First of all, I am going to down, zoom in like this and bring it down 1 minute. I have to zoom out, arrange it at the bottom, okay? Zoom out a little bit, carefully arrange, okay? Zoom out a little bit, okay? It is perfect. Now arrange it at the bottom. Now I have to do some adjustment. Go to adjust and go to highlights, increase a little highlights and shadow a little bit and increase the clarity. Oh sorry, no need. And we have to give a little shadow, okay? Done. Now tap on tick. Friends, in this step I am going to add the text effect. In this portion you can write whatever you want, your name, your logo, whatever you can write yourself, okay? But I am going to write this name, myself, because the background is love and I am going to write this text, love myself, okay? This is the concept. In this portion you can write whatever name you want based on your taste. Okay, now simply rotate it here and arrange like this. Perfect, that's it friends. You have to simply arrange the text like this. After the portion of the editing is completed, now what you have to do is you have to add the birds effect to give the light attraction to this image. I have the PNG, go to add photo. Okay, done. Now I'm going to arrange, simply rotate like this, and you have to arrange the bird effect on the top. Okay, now go to adjust, go to shadow, decrease the shadow fully. Now tap on tick, and finally you can see here three parts are empty. So for this I am going to fill a little effect. For this you have to go to brushes, tap on this fourth brush, and in this I am going to select the bubbles to give a slightly attraction to the empty portions. Where are the bubbles? Okay, here is the bubbles. Tap on the bubbles, decrease. Now I have to simply draw like this in these portions. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special concept portrait photo editing tutorial is completed. You can also edit your image exactly like this. All you have to do is simply follow my video and download the background pages. Now simply go to draw, tap on the three dots and save your image. Please consider subscribe and share to your friends. See you next video with new special concept photo editing.